Hey Product Hunt, my name is Tommy Barav and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Magical. We are building a collaborative calendar for teams designed for the new era of modern work. timeOS is our first step to get your team to time waste zero. Let's get into it. We built timeOS to streamline your meetings. With every new tab, you can see your upcoming meeting and quickly join them with Command J. Now, nobody likes taking meeting notes. And given how many meetings we have, it is almost impossible to remember what's happened in all of our sessions. With timeOS, we made it possible. You can instantly take meeting notes just by typing Command I. By the way, if you want to remember it, I stands for information. Every note will start with a pre-populated agenda. You can add talking points, action items, and links. So let's add it. Talk about timeOS, of course. And remember to call my mom. Always important. Now the best part is when you close the window, all of your notes will be waiting for you in Notion, organized in your timeOS database. Just hit escape and see the magic. Boom, all of your meeting notes here. Let's open it in Notion. So you can see timeOS already categorized the meeting with participant, event tags, and of course, the notes. Now you can see the entire database here by the type of the meeting, by agenda. This is one that I really like because I can see all the meetings that I need to follow up with, by calendar, and of course, the raw database of your meetings. Cool, huh? Let's get back to timeOS. We want to make sure you will never miss a meeting and finish them on time. With timeOS, we introduced the smartest meeting reminder ever built. Need another minute to wrap up? No worries, you can always auto-join and start the meeting on time. Oop, you go, auto-join. That's it. Stay tuned for when we launch Magical later this year, and thanks for all your amazing support with our product and campaign. I need to charge my computer. Bye.